2025 is around the corner, and the print-on-demand game is bigger than ever. But here's the truth. Success isn't just about designs or tools, it's about mindset. In this video, I'll share the top mindset shifts you need and actionable tips to kickstart your print-on-demand business. Whether you're a complete beginner or ready to level up, this is where your journey starts. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. So in this video, I'm going to give you 6 very important tips to become successful in print on demand. These tips will also help you to build the right mindset for your upcoming journey. So now let's start with our tip number 1. That is sticking to only one site or marketplace. Let's be real. So many beginners stick to just one site, hoping to get results. But after 2 to 3 years with nothing to show for it, they realize that's not the best approach. I've been there, and if I could go back, I'd start trying out different platforms right away. Most beginners upload designs only on one website, which is not the best thing to do. Each site has its own audience and strengths. Instead, you should upload your designs to 2 to 3 sites simultaneously. Experimenting with 2 or 3 at the same time really boosts your chances of finding success. Don't wait around, explore your options and see what works for you. Now let's move on to our tip number 2, which is not doing research. Let's discuss. Starting something new can feel overwhelming, but research is your foundation for success. It's not just about jumping in, it's about starting smart. Take some time to look around, check out pod websites, explore hobbies or trends people are into, and see what's popular. There are many useful websites that you can use for research, like PodCS and keywordstool.io. First, we are here in PodCS. It's a super useful website for any print-on-demand sellers. As you can see, it has a bunch of tools including Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, and Etsy tools. Let's try Redbubble Trends. Here you can see that it's showing us the daily trends of Redbubble. You can also set it as weekly. It shows you competition, number of products under that niche. This way you can pick the most trending niches. Like here, I'm searching for Christmas to see what's trending under this niche. Like here, you can see, I searched Christmas and it shows me all the keywords relating to the Christmas niche you can make designs on. You can also check the top 10 best-selling products of each keyword. Another great feature of PodCS is that you can check all the best-selling designs under any keywords or niche. I haven't searched for anything yet, so it's showing the designs that are trending as a whole, so you can know what kind of designs are trending right now. Next we have keywordstool.io. It's another great website for niche research. Like here, I've searched for Christmas and set it for Amazon, but you can also select any other platform. So it gave me all the trending keywords, which I can use to create my designs and use them as keywords while uploading. You can also use Google Trends to check what keywords are trending right now around the world. And another thing that you could do to find what to make is simply go to your print-on-demand market. Like here I'm on Redbubble and search for any term, like I'm searching for Christmas. And it will show you all the best-selling and trending designs. You can take inspiration from these designs to create your own, but refrain from completely copying the designs. And for beginners, my suggestion would be that you should create designs related to hobbies like mountain climbing, fishing, etc. And you can also create designs for events like Christmas or Halloween. Also, you should definitely create designs for evergreen niches. You can watch my videos, where I showed some of the best niches you should create designs for, and I will also upload more videos with super profitable niches, so you should definitely subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. Now let's check out our tip number 3, which is brand harmony. Brand harmony is about keeping your shop's overall look consistent. If you mostly sell retro-themed t-shirts and then out of nowhere, you add modern mug designs, it can confuse your customers. Think about it. Someone loves your retro or any kind of t-shirt and checks your shop expecting more such designs. If they don't find similar items, they might leave and not come back. Here are examples of 2 shops. Which one do you think looks more professional? Personally, I would say the right one, because the right shop is consistent with its theme, while the left one is just uploading designs randomly and I can't expect anything particular from this shop. I'm not telling you to just keep uploading the same kinds of designs. It's not about limiting yourself. It's about making sure everything in your shop works together, like a matching collection. When your shop feels consistent, people trust you and are more likely to buy more. Now let's check out our tip number 4, which is prioritizing quality over quantity. I always promote quality over quantity because, in the long run, quality designs don't just help your shop stand out, they make it last. A quality design isn't just about looking trendy, it's about capturing an idea or vibe that connects with people and stays relevant. For example, if we take this shop, which we also saw earlier, you can see that all of its designs are pretty detailed and unique. And it is not necessary that your design should always be detailed, but it has to be unique. You can use AI to help you make unique designs that nobody can copy. And now, with the help of AI, it's easier than ever to create designs that are 10 times better. If you want to know more about how to create best-selling designs using AI, you can watch my video on this topic. This video is a step-by-step guide to making print-on-demand designs using AI, so do check it out. The link is in the description. So, you don't always have to upload hundreds of designs to get seen. Sometimes you just have to, but not always. If your designs are of good quality, 20 good designs has more value than 100 random designs. So now let's check out our next tip. That is marketing. When you upload a new design, it's not magically going to show up on the first page of search results. That's why marketing is so important. If you want people to find your shop, you've got to bring the traffic yourself, share your designs on social media, join communities where your niche hangs out, and use platforms like Pinterest or Instagram to showcase your work. Like here, we're on Pinterest, and all these people have their designs up here to market. This is a great way to reach potential customers and get them interested in what you're offering. Without it, your amazing designs might just sit there unseen, but with consistent effort, you can start building an audience and get consistent sales. So don't skip the marketing part. And if you want to know how you can market your designs on Pinterest, then you can check out my video on this topic. This video is super helpful if you want to know how to promote your designs on social media, so do check it out. The link is in the description. Now let's move forward to our tip number 6, that is judging too early. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is judging their success way too early. A month or two of effort is just the start. It's not enough time to see big results. It took me 4 months to make my first sale, and all these tips are based on my 4-year experience in print-on-demand business. When you're starting out, focus on learning and improving. Ask yourself, are my designs getting better? Am I reaching more people? Am I consistent with my efforts? These are the signs that you're moving in the right direction, even if the sales don't show it yet. And I am sure you already know this, but consistency really is the key. Giving up too soon is the only way to guarantee you won't make it, so be consistent. So this sums up this video. Are you going to apply any of these tips in your print-on-demand journey? Please let me know in the comments section. I hope it was helpful to you, and if it was, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.